Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, #1 best-selling author and recipient of India's Top Career Counselor Award. In my iconic career stories talk show, I have a guest today. His name is Ninad Joshi. Ninad is an HR professional with interests in employee relations and compliance. Welcome Ninad to the show.
Thank you, Sushant sir.
So Ninad, I will now let you do the talking. Okay. So please tell me about yourself, what you do and how you help professionals and your companies.
Okay, so firstly, I will start with my education qualification. So, I have completed LLB plus MBA in HR. And before starting my career in HR, I worked for 2 years as an advocate, and I was practicing in the labor and industrial law areas. And total, I am having total 11 years of experience in industrial HR management. And at present, I am working as a HR manager in a US-based multinational company. And actually, I am experienced in the entire gamut of HR. But my area of expertise is, you can say, employee relation and compliances. So that is my area of expertise.
Right. So you're one of those HR professionals who has a legal background. You have an LLB degree.
Yes.
So naturally, you're more leaning towards labor relations and compliance and related areas.
Yes, that's my cup of tea. That is, I believe that is in my DNA. So definitely, I have developed expertise in that area. And I am having also first-hand experience of handling court matters. So that also benefited me a lot actually in dealing with complicated legal issues, dealing with companies advocate, investigation, disciplinary management issues.
Yeah.